This question belongs to computer network subject and was asked in GATE CSE 2020. So the question states, consider TCP connection with a client and a server with the following specification. The round trip time is 6 milliseconds. So RTT is 6 milliseconds. It is the time taking from going from client to server and coming back. The size of receiver advertised window is 50 KB. So window at receiver is 50 kilobytes. Slow start threshold at the client is 32 KB. So threshold at client is of slow start, it's 32 KB. And the maximum segment size MSS is 2 KB. The connection is established at time t equals to 0. Assume that there are no timeouts. So there are no timeouts and errors during transmission. Then the size of congestion window at time t plus 60 millisecond is. After all the acknowledgements are processed is. Okay. So see, what are the steps for AIMD algorithm? So AIMD is additive increase and then multiplicative decrease. So here what we do is we first start with MSS, which is minimum segment size. Okay. Then we increase the window size in multiples of MSS. Increase window size in multiples of MSS till slow start threshold. Okay. So what is slow start threshold? Here it is 32 KB. So till 32 KB we increase in multiples of MSS. What is MSS? 2 KB. And we start with MSS, which is 2 KB. Now what happens? Once the threshold is reached, increase the window size by 1 MSS. Now here increase by 1 MSS. Okay. Till timeout. Okay. Now after the timeout occurs, then what we do? We reduce the threshold to half. So new threshold is initial threshold by 2, half of current window size. So new threshold is current window size by 2, and again we start from the MSS and start from MSS. From MSS. So let me write what happens. So initially we start with MSS. So MSS is our 2. Now what is our time? Time is t plus 6. As 6 time is taken for round trip time. Okay. Now what happens? Now we double it. So we double the window sizes by 2 till slow start threshold. So it becomes 4. Time becomes t plus 12. Then it becomes 8. Time becomes t plus 18. Then it becomes double, which is 16, and time becomes t plus 24. Then it becomes double, 32, and time becomes t plus 30. Now see, we have reached our slow start threshold of 32. Now we increase by 1 MSS till timeout. Okay, so now we will increase by 1. So from 32, 1 MSS is 2 KB. So we get to 34. Time is t plus 36. Then we get to 36. Time is t plus 42. Here each time we are adding 6 milliseconds because it is round trip time. Then it is 38. Time is t plus 54. Sorry, t plus 48. Now we have 38 plus 2, 40, and time is 48 plus 6, which is 54. Now again we increase by 1 MSS, which is 2 KB. So it becomes 42, and time becomes t plus 60. And after coming back, we increase it by 2 kilobyte again, 1 MSS. Now it is asking the size of congestion window at time t plus 60. So at time t plus 60, after our acknowledgement has come back, the size of congestion window is 44 KB. So answer to this question is 44 kilobyte.